Begin your day with a ride on the Alton Towers monorail. Gliding over the theme park, you can catch a glimpse of some of the many rides and attractions as you journey from the main car park to the entrance at Towers Street. In the early 1980s, visitor parking was much more convenient than it is today. Towers Street had yet to be built, and guests could park on that plot of land as well as the area that is now Katanga Canyon. They would then enter close to where CVB's land is. With the opening of the Grand Canyon Rapids and Towers Street, 1986 resulted in the creation of a new car park, almost a mile away from the park entrance. Alton Towers needed a way to transport guests, and in 1987 the monorail was installed linking the two. The monorail wasn't a brand new attraction and began its life the prior year in Canada. Expo 86 was hosted by Vancouver, and the monorail transported guests around the 170-acre World's Fair site. When the fair closed in October, the track and trains were transported to Alton Towers to be installed for the following season. The grand opening of the world's greatest monorail took place in August. Fitting for the futuristic transport, the ceremony was hosted by William Shatner and George Takei of Star Trek fame. By 2008, the futuristic trains were starting to look dated. One by one, each train was refurbished, every one sporting their own unique style. Boarding at a station close to the car parks, guests enter one of 8 trains, each holding 96 passengers. The monorail glides over many areas of the park, passing over Forbidden Valley, Gloomy Wood and Katanga Canyon on its 5-minute route to Towers Street Station.